Okay, what I have here is my last Zapco 200.2 amplifier that I'm selling. It is in really nice shape. It's got a couple of marks, a little tiny one right there. Otherwise, it's in really good shape. It'll come with the balanced cables. Right now I'm using the unbalanced input just to show you that it's working properly, and so I could make some adjustments also to show you those are working. So let's turn this on. Basically it. Just wanted to show you that it's playing, it's working properly, and it sounds really good. So hopefully that gives you a better idea what the amplifier can do for you. Good luck and happy bidding, and thanks.